छात्राः स्वागतं नवम्यां कक्षायाम्। अद्य वयं पुनः भ्रान्तो बालः इत्यस्य द्वितीयम् अभ्यासपाठं सम्पादयामः। अत्र द्वितीयः अभ्यासः एवं वर्तते। कः सः द्वितीयः अभ्यासः? निम्नलिखितस्य श्लोकस्य भावार्थं हिंदी भाषया आंग्लभाषया वा लिखता इति अस्ति। अर्थात भावार्थः नाम कः? भावार्थः नाम यः भावम् अन्तर्निहितं भावं बोधयति स एव भावार्थः भवति। अर्थात न हि सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य प्रविशन्ति मुखे मृगाः is the shloka. That means if the lion is sleeping, no deer will enter the mouth of the lion. Are we teaching these shlokas to lion or deer? Does the lion understand? Does the lion understands the meaning or the deer understands? No. Neither of them will understand. But here we are teaching to the person who has got the ability like a lion and still sleep without doing any efforts. So with the example of lion and deer, we are not teaching to the lion and deer, we are teaching to the person who has got that ability. So the bhavartha means please don't sleep with your talent. So if you sleep with your talent, success will not come to your mouth like lion. So my dear, please work hard, then only you will get your success. That is the meaning of this shloka. Here the shloka meaning is told. That means yo mam putra pritya poshayati. That means the bhavartha is told that one who looks after me like his own son, swamino gruhe, in the owner's house, tasya, his rakshaniyoga karanat. My duty is to protect such a person who is looking after me like his own son. Other than protecting him, maya, by me, brashtavyam, I should not be cheating such a person, ishadapi. Ishat nama swalpam, little also. What does it mean? It means that now my duty is to protect my owner. So I cannot join you. Is it not? That boy asked the dog to join. So he can play with the dog. But simply dog is avoiding him by telling that I am very honest to my owner. So I cannot come and join you. So please look after your friend. Is it not? This is called bhavartha. अर्थात भावार्थः नाम अस्माभिः कथायाः अर्थः अपि ज्ञातव्यः भवति। यथा एषा भ्रान्तो बालः इति पाठात् स्वीकृतः श्लोकः. This you can write in English and you can write it in Hindi also. The option is yours. You decide in which you write. I will tell you, for example, in English. If you wish to write in Hindi, you are most welcome to write in Hindi. This shloka is taken from the chapter Bhranto Balaha. Bhrantaha, one diverted boy. That means he is diverted from his duty. Is it? That's why in this lesson, one boy who was not interested to study, he was in search of a friend to play. Then he finds a dog in the garden and asks the dog to be his friend and play with him. But the dog simply replies him that my owner looks after me like his own son. So it is my duty to guard his home continuously. So if I am playing with you, I will not be doing my duty. So I don't want to brashtavyam, cheat my duty. That means I don't want to be a cheater who is cheating my own owner. It means that dog simply refused to play with the man. Like this, you can write the bhavartha. Next, third exercise. Bhranto balaha iti kathayaha saramsham Hindi bhashaya Angla bhashaya va likhatam. Hindi bhashaya api likitum arhanti athva Angla bhashaya. Here also again you have got two options. One is you can write the summary of the lesson in English as well as in the Hindi. First of all, first you write Bhranto Balaha, the summary of Bhranto Balaha. In this lesson, we find a boy who was not at all interested in studies. While everybody was busy in going to the school, this boy goes away from the pool of the friends and enters a garden. After entering the garden, he blames his own friends as they are the book bugs, and he knows how to make himself very happy. He knows to live the life very happily. So, and he feels that if my friends are not coming, I can make friends in this garden with the birds living in the nests. First, he sees a honeybee which was roaming very busily, and he asks the honeybee to be his friend. But honeybee refuses to be his friend as they are very busy in collecting the honey. Then he sees a sparrow which was collecting the grass to make the nests. Then he tells the sparrow, my dear sparrow, this grass is very dry. Please leave it and join me as a friend. I can give you very tasty things to eat. But the sparrow tells, I have to make the nest in the peepal tree, so I cannot join you. Then again he sees a dog which was running. Then he stops the dog and requests the dog to be his friend. But dog tells it is very harsh to the owner. The owner is looking after the dog like his own son. So the dog doesn't want to cheat his owner. That means simply it refuses to. Then the boy realizes that in this world everybody is busy in his own work. Everybody, whoever has born, has got a work to do, and everybody is busy in his work. It is me who is the only person who is wasting the time. I also should not waste the time. I have to do the duty which I have got. So immediately he moves to the school and sits with the boys. Very interestingly, he studies with so much curiosity and he becomes very clever, earns good name, fame. That means that is the real turning point. Self realization is the best realization, is the moral of this story. Like this, my dear boys, you have to write the saramsha, gist of the story in English or in Hindi. I hope you understood well and you can write much better. No need to follow what I have told you. You can be, many of you can write much better. Use your own feelings and use your own vocabulary. You can still elaborate it more and you can use your own writing skills. Wishing you all the best. Stay home, stay safe. Bhavatu Shubhadinam, Bhavatu Anudinam. Dhanyavadaha.